Good morning, I'm Eugene Go. I present to you what is MMM. Mabrodi Mondial Movement per Financial System. MMM was registered by Security Exchange Commission. Sergey Mabrodi, founder of MMM. Russian mathematician, developed Russian computer operating system. Owner of Russian computer manufacturing company. Mabru Club, Livelihood and Charity. MMM Community Development and Bitcoin Literacy. MMM has a charity event of the power of giving. MMM is not a business. MMM is not an investment. MMM is not a multi-level marketing. What you need to know, MMM is global community. MMM is mutual aid fund. MMM is social financial network. MMM is community of people wants to be free. MMM is global community. Has 38 million members in 107 countries. 4 years of activity and 14 billion assistance provided. The fastest growing community in the world. Let your money grow 30% per month by Bitcoin. Direct money transfer among the participants. How does it work? MMM participants give help by transferring money to each other directly. People exchange their spare money to improve their well-being. Today you help someone, tomorrow someone else will help you. Everybody gains from his new trustful financial relationship. The goal of MMM, help all the people in the world, spread money among people so that they gain financial freedom, creating a new financial relationship among people. What is MMM? MMM provides help and gives help. It also software program which enable participant matching of people who needs help to people providing help. What is a kind of social financial network? How it works? When you provide help, the MMM system will assign you to one or many recipients. For example, you provide help 2,000. The system of MMM will get help, and MMM, your 2,000 times 15%, the word bonus of 15% is 2,300. Or if one month is 15%, 2,600. That is the word bonus, 15% every 15 days. Amount of donation, we accrued 30% monthly. If you donate 200 for 1 year, you have 4,659.62 centavos. If you donate 10,000 for 1 year, it costs 2,980.85 centavos. If you register, you have your own Gmail and own office in MMM Philippines. You have a blockchain. The blockchain is the wallet in the internet. MMM Global, together we change the world. Thank you at mabuhay.